Freak out. You freak, says she. Freak out. Freak out. You freak, says she. Freak out. Have you heard about the new dance craze? Listen to us, I'm sure you'll be amazed. Big fun to be had by everyone. It's up to you, surely can be done. Young and old,